Welcome back to the Sociometry tutorial video series. In this video we will show you how to create a module and how to create items. Begin at your study dashboard and open your study. Go to the modules page. Here you can create a new module or open an existing one. First we will create a new module. A module is an assembly of your questions. Go to Create New Module panel. Input a name and title for the module. Note that a module's unique name will only be seen by the researcher, but a module title will be shown to the participants. Scroll down and click on Save. Click on Content items on the right side of the screen to edit the items inside your module. This is the list of all possible items. To create a new item, drag the desired item type to the item list. This will open a new window where you can edit the properties of the item. You can edit the properties of the item in the left panel. In the right panel, there will be a preview panel. This is how the question will look like for the participants. Type the statement in here and save the question. There are many different item types you can choose from. You can find more information on the website of Sociometry on the function of the items. In this video we showed you how to create a module and how to create items. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.